Hi everyone, thanks for joining us on this course. In this section, I'm just going to really cover what Forex trading actually is. So it's technically buying one currency against another currency. So in this case, we're going to be looking at the euro, US dollar. So we got a euro, so we're going to be buying euros against the US dollar. Okay, you always buy currencies in pairs. So you would never just buy a euro on its own because we wouldn't have anything to trade it against. So in this case, if we were buying euros, so we wanted our euros to go up, the US dollar currency will go down, meaning we are going to make a profit. That's only if we buy. If we buy euros and the euro price goes down, that means that the US dollar price has technically gone up. So if your base currency, being the euro, strengthens, whilst your counter currency, the US dollar, weakens, we would say that the euro, US dollar, is rising. If your counter currency, which is or the quote currency in certain terms, the US dollar strengthens, whilst your base currency, euro, weakens, we would say that the euro USD is falling. Okay, so this is the important bit. Forex trading is the process of analysing these currencies, speculating whether they will rise or fall. In this case, buying or selling accordingly. So you might want to buy a currency pair if you believe that the currency pair will strengthen. You might want to sell a currency pair if you believe it's going to weaken accordingly. Okay. So technically what we want to do is you want to be buying currencies that are going up and selling currencies that are going down. Okay. People choose the Forex market because it is a $5 trillion a day market. It's a lot bigger than what the stock exchange would be. So it's a lot harder to manipulate. You don't get certain central banks and institutes pushing directions on certain currencies because it's just much too big. And the idea of why Forex trading is very, very appealing to people, and I know a lot of you people out there have businesses. When you own a business, you literally have to have a product or service and you sell a product or service. So you need people to sell these products and services to. Unfortunately, with the Forex markets, you literally need to pretty much bet whether or trade whether a market is going up or going down. Okay, by all structure means Forex trading is not gambling. There's many variations of Forex trading. Binary options, okay, may be seen as a version of gambling, but Forex trading is not. With the right risk management plan, the right systems and the right strategy and the right will to succeed, you can actually analyze markets, whether or not they're going to go in your favor or not. But with a risk management plan, it will stop the gambling aspect. Okay, it's a disciplined business, and Forex trading should only ever be treated as a business. Okay, so we're going to cover a lot more of this later on. So I just want you to take from this is literally, as a Forex trader, you're going to be buying one currency against another, and whether the price strengthens or falls is whether or not you make a profit on the buy or you make a profit on the short, which is the sell. And if it goes against you the opposite way, that is where you will lose the difference in how much that currency has moved. Okay, and we're going to explain a lot more about how to read Forex charts and Forex prices later on.